こんにちは。Welcome to Consonants Japanese. I'm May. In this video, I'm going to talk about place of articulation. Consonants Japanese. So, what is place of articulation? Place of articulation is the point inside your mouth on which you block the airflow to make a consonant sound. If you know the parts of your mouth used to make Japanese consonant sounds, it's much easier to learn how to pronounce them correctly. So, what parts of our mouth do we use to make different Japanese consonant sounds? There are 7 places of articulation in the Japanese language. Both lips, gum ridge, the back of the gum ridge, hard palate, soft palate, uvula, and glottis. Let me explain these parts briefly one by one. And as I explain these parts, try to find each part inside your mouth by yourself. First, both lips. I don't think you need an explanation for that. Second, the gum ridge and the back of the gum ridge. If you slide your tongue along the roof of the mouth, you first find your teeth. Then, right behind your teeth, you find your gum ridge. Then, imagine there's a division between the front part of the gum ridge, which is near your teeth, and the back of the gum ridge, which is near the hard surface. We use both parts to make different consonant sounds. Third, hard palate and soft palate. If you continue to slide your tongue along the roof of the mouth, you'll find the hard surface right behind the back of the gum ridge. That's the hard palate. Then, right behind the hard palate, you'll find the soft surface. That's the soft palate. Next, uvula. This is the uvula. In Japanese, we only use uvula as a place of articulation for the n sound. How do we use uvula as a place of articulation? Try to move the back part of your tongue further back in your mouth. That's how. But for now, don't worry too much about it. Just remember when I say uvular sound, it's this n sound. Finally, glottis. The glottis is the opening in your vocal cords. So there's no way you can feel your glottis. Just remember when I say this is a glottis sound, then it's the H sound, voiceless sound you make without blocking the airflow. I'll repeat it one more time. We have 7 places of articulation in Japanese. Both lips, gum ridge, the back of the gum ridge, hard palate, soft palate, uvula, and glottis. Did you get the picture? If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。